Tyson is also here. Welcome to the lives, guys. Let's use what we have to get to what we can have. Like start. That's the only thing important. As you can see, I'm starting with mine, and I'm also learning. I'm also teaching myself of other things. I'm open to learning as in using. Like for example, I'll just flip the camera so you can see. I don't know anything about editing and whatnot, but I'm teaching myself. YouTube people now, they are there, these people. They are there, they will teach you, and for free, you just check. Then you have to find someone who knows these days age is hectic, especially with the economy being the way it is. People are just doing what they gotta do. So risk, but I do know there are genuine people, but these days it's risky. So you gotta teach yourself as in using the winner yourself. Teach yourself listening to yourself. Because you have a mind. That mind is capable of anything. Minds are anything. As you can see, I am trying to learn this editing thing with danger. And I'm learning through my own self. And YouTube, going to YouTube, checking how it's done, getting all that is needed, like going through the whole procedure. Just welcome. Melusi also just joined. So hey guys, we gotta do this thing. Anyways, you wanna do it so that you can get love from to figure corner, because you can't just wake up and just be up there. You can't. You can't. Some can. Not all of us can. Not all of us, but I'm just saying. It's all a matter of learning how to do certain things. So I decided to actually go through it myself in my own way. So that is what's been going on. I've been doing it my own way, and it's been going just the way it has to be going. I have to start somewhere to get to somewhere. So it's another thing. I have to get to somewhere to get to somewhere. So that is what I'll say, guys. With that being said, the word of the day today is strangers will make you rich. Strangers will make you rich. The people who know you, they won't come until it is time. Until it is time for them to come, but just be wary of that. I repeat again, today, the word of the day is strangers will make you rich. People who know you, they won't make you rich. They'll make sure you are wherever you are so that you can be closer to them. Remember that. Just be wary of that. Remember that. Remember that. And even I am putting it up here so I can remember. Strangers will make you rich. People you know will be wary of you and will keep you in a position that they know they can still have access to you. Remember that. Remember that. And with that being said, guys, let's do what we gotta do with what we have. Take what you have, do what you have to do with what you have. Malik just joined. Welcome, Malik, Timbi, and Ghana to join as guests. No. Ghana, Timbi. Which one is that one? So that is the other thing, guys. Let's make sure we do what we gotta do with what we have so that we can get to where we want to be. As you can see, I am doing everything over my phone. My phone is now my form of doing everything. Now, you have to teach yourself these things on YouTube. It's there. You can learn. It's there. You can learn. And you can teach yourself. As I am teaching myself, I'll just flip my camera so you can see. I'm teaching myself this video editing because I know as time goes on, I will have to shift to a different camera quality, to a different editing software. So I'm teaching myself these things. As you can see, I'll just flip the camera for you so that you can see what I'm talking about. So that's the whole thing, guys. And with that being said, I will close it here and get down to it, because we all have a brain, that brilliant brains that God has given us. Let's use them, guys. And with that being said, I'm closing the live. And if I'm popping up on your feed for the first time, I go by the name of Savage. I do this thing morning, day, and night. Morning, day, and night. If you didn't catch me during the day, you can catch me during the morning. If you didn't catch me during the morning, catch me during the day. If you didn't catch me during the day, you can catch me during the night. Morning, day, and night. With that being said, stay savage. Let's go.